Mayong adlaw sa tanan ay Muhammad Khalid Quebranza de Maporo, Governor ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, the land of beauty and bounty. Last week, we were able to accomplish our ELA, yung Executive Legislative Agenda for my administration with the help of our very good friend, Director Myla of the Department of Economy, Planning and Development. In this workshop, we revisited 2040. Ano ba talaga ang gusto ng ating mahal na former governor, now Congresswoman Angging Quebranza de Maporo para sa lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte? And when we read 2040, murag ang lumalabas dyan is we want to develop Lanao del Norte to become a prime tourism destination din sa Northern Mindanao. Na come 2040, yung mga turista, they'll see what they can do after visiting Cagayan de Oro, yung entry of choice, tapos sana lang, ang ipipili nila is yung Land of Beauty and Bounty, the province of Lanao del Norte. Yan ang target ng Vision 2040. So we need to craft a plan on how we can achieve that in the next several years. And that will become our physical development framework plan that we'll be working on in my administration. Ang mangganang nangyayari is si RD Myla gave us a very beautiful gift. And that very beautiful gift is the cry for development ng lalawigan ng Lanao del Norte, especially the provincial capital under my administration, Governor Muhammad Khalid Quebranza de Maporo. And that cry will be, Unlad, Lanao del Norte! Lanao del Norte, Unlad! Unlad being U-N-L-A-D, meaning U being unparalleled social services, N being a network of infrastructure development, L being livelihood and other economic opportunities, A being authentic and accountable governance, and D being development for present and future generations. Kailangan namin ma-achieve ito to achieve our new Vision 2040 based on Unlad Lanao del Norte. And that Vision 2040 is for Lanao del Norte to become a leading agri-fishery hub and premier eco-cultural sports tourism destination in southern Philippines, fostering a God-loving, culturally diverse, resilient, and socially cohesive community anchored on inclusive governance for sustainable growth. It was a very fruitful workshop, and I'm very proud of the output of our department heads and our Vice Governor and the Sangguniang Palalawigan, and we owe it all to our dear friend again, RD Myla. So RD Myla, if you're watching this, daghan salamat sa tulong ninyo in the regional level for giving Lanao del Norte, especially my administration, the very first step towards the future. So again, to all those watching, again, always, daghang salamat sa iyong pagsuporta. I hope to see you on the ground, and I hope you will like what we will unveil for the 2026 budget in the next few weeks to come.